Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about map interface. Here map is an interface. It is present inside java.util package. It stores key and value pair. Here each key is unique and each key maps to the single value. Here key should be always unique and values can be duplicated or repeated. And also both key and values is considered as an object. It does not follow ordering. Yes, ordering depends on the implementation. And here you can see map is an interface. And map interface has three implementation classes. One is HashMap and LinkedHashMap, and other one is TreeMap. Here HashMap is an implementation class for map interface, and LinkedHashMap is an implementation class for map interface, and also TreeMap is also an implementation class for map interface. Here you can see class to interface we are using implements keyword, and interface to interface we are using extends keyword. Okay. Now you can see HashMap, LinkedHashMap, and TreeMap. Okay, map is unordered and fast access, which means here hash map all the elements are not stored in order, and also it provides fast access. Linked hash map, it maintains instruction order. In tree map, it stores all the elements in ascending order. And some of the key methods here you can see. Put method is used to add or update a key and value pair, and get method is used to retrieve a value from the given key. And one more method, remove method, is used to remove key value pair. Contains key method is used to check if a key is exist. Contains value method is used to check if a value is exist. And next one is key set method. It returns all keys as a set. And next one is values method. It returns all the values as a collection. Okay. Now we are going to do one example by using all these methods. Okay. Now here I am creating new class. Class name is map examples. So quickly I am creating one main method. Now here I want to create an object for hash map. So here I am passing a type as string. Now which equals to new hash map. Now I'm going to add key value pair. So h dot put method I'm using. Here put method is used to adding a key value pair. So here I'm giving a key name as. So here I'm giving a key as name and value as Rani. Okay. Now I want to print the key value pair. So system dot out dot println. So here I'm giving key as name, value as plus h dot get method I'm using. Here I'm using get method. It is used to access the value associated with a particular key. So key is present, it returns the value. If the key is not present, it returns null. So here I'm using get method, and here I'm passing a key. Now I want to remove the key. Then I use remove method. So I want to remove the key. That's why I'm giving the key name. And again I want to check if the key is present. If the key is present, it returns true, else false. So for that I'm using contains key method. So sysout dot println. So here h dot I'm using contains key method. Here you can see it is available here. Here I'm giving a key name. So name. Let's run this code. Here you can see, here we are giving a key as name and value as Rani. Okay. Sorry. And value as Rani. Here I want to remove the key. So contains key is used to check the key is present or not. If it is present, it returns true. If key is not present, it returns false. Here we are removing the key, so it returns false. Okay. Then I am adding another key value pair. H dot put. I am adding key as is, comma, value as 18. So here I want to printing the A's key value pair. So system dot out dot println. So here, sorry, key colon is comma value colon h dot. Here I'm using get method and here passing an is. Okay, let's run this code. Here you can see one more key value is added here. And here I want to check if key is present or not. So I'm using contains key method. If key is present, it returns true. If key is not present, it returns false. Okay, I'm giving name. Here I'm giving the key name. So let's run this code. Here you can see it returns true. Here you can see here I'm creating an object for HashMap and I'm adding key value pair by using put method and I'm printing this method and also I'm printing this pair using get method and I want to remove the key. So that's why I'm using remove method and I want to check the key is present or not. So I'm using contains key method. If key is present, it returns true. If key is not present, it returns false. Again, I'm adding key value pair by using put method. So I'm printing this key value pair. And again, I want to check if key is present or not. If key is present, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Here you can see, first I'm adding the key value pair. Name, Rani. Key as name, value as Rani. And here I'm removing the key. So it checks contains key is used to check if key is present, it returns true. Here I'm removing the key, that's why it returns false. Again I'm printing the key as is and value as 18. And here I'm again checking key is present, it returns true. Otherwise it returns false. So is present, so it returns true. Sorry. Now I want to create an object for LinkedHashMap. So here I'm giving a type as string comma string. L equals to new LinkedHashMap. Now I'm adding key and value pair. So L dot add. So L dot put method is used to add key and value pairs. So here I'm adding name comma value as Raj. Now I want to print the key and value pair by using get method. So system dot out dot println. So L dot I'm using get method. So here I'm passing a key value. Now again I want to add another key value pair. So L dot put. Here I need to add is comma value 18 and one and again adding another key value pair. L dot put. So here key is city, value is New York. Okay, now I'm printing the key and value pairs. Now I'm printing the A's key and value pair. So here I'm giving the name as key name as A's. Again I want to printing city key value pair. So here I change the name as city. Okay, now I'm using two more methods. One is contains value. Yes, contains value method. If the value is present, it returns true, else it returns false. So here I'm using contains value method. So L dot contains value. Here I'm giving a value as 20. Sorry. Here I'm giving a value as 18. So it checks the value 18 is there, it returns true. If 18 is not there, it returns false. Okay. And one more method I'm going to use key set. This method prints all the keys. So So L dot key set, which is available here. You can now let's run this code. Here you can see I'm creating an object for TreeMap, and here I'm adding key value pair, and here I'm printing the key value pair, and again I'm adding another key value pair, and again I'm printing the key value pair, and again I'm adding another key value pair and printing the key value pair. So here I'm using three methods. Before that I'm going to execute this code. Here you can see name Benny, age 2, country USA. Now I'm going to use first key method. So this method getting the first key value. So this method getting the first key. So in this statement I remove these and I'm first key. So here I'm using a method as first key. Yes. And next method I'm using values. So this values method printing all the values. Now copy here values. So here I'm using values method, sorry. Now here you can see first key method is used to print the first key, and values method is used to printing the all values. Okay, let us execute the code. Here you can see it print all the key and value pairs, and key here the first key is name, right, but it displays the first key as is, but because in TreeMap all the keys are stored in sorted order, so based on the alphabetical order it displays the key value. Okay, and next it prints the all the values. So values method is used to print all the values. So here you can see it print all the values. Okay, thank you.